Swadesh, hello.
Yes, sir.
You are hosting today's event.
Sorry.
Swadesh, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amit joining करो Amit Anil.
Yeah, Amit is joining in another 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
You are hosting today's event.
Sorry.
Swadesh, hello. वॉइस क्यों बाउंस बैक क्यों हो रहा वॉइस?
नहीं सर, अब नहीं होगा.
ओके, मेरी आवाज ठीक से आ रही, क्लियर है?
यस यस सर, आप अपनी पीपीटी एक बार चेक कर लो.
हाँ, पीपीटी तो वही है यार, पीपीटी तो है ही. आई हैव चेक्ड इट. तो यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ना पहले?
Yeah, Amit will be going to join in and he will do the hosting part.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Fine, fine.
We start at 3:35.
Yeah, no issue, no issue.
Yeah.
So you are from Tata Tele?
No, sir. No, sir. So I'm the one who's managing this.
Event, हाँ. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, got it.
Okay. Sir, we are starting. Chadda might be joining late.
Okay, because Amit might be busy in another meeting. So
Yeah, I'm starting with the video, and then we will be having this PPT of yours. I will introduce you.
okay, no issue.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone, and very warm welcome to Tata Do Big Forum, Bounce Back with Technology Advantage. You are all logged in on a listen only mode for 1 hour long webinar with 50 minutes of presentation followed by 10 minutes of question answer. In case you have any query during the session, you can post your question in the chat box or in a QA box on the right side of your screen under those icon Q&A or chat. Before we proceed further, we have some polls. We would like to have your opinion on the same. Again, the poll will be on the right side of your screen under the icon poll. Our first poll, which is live on your screen, is which are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting our industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruption, availability of finance, business continuity, or business growth/expansion. Request you all to please participate. It will be helpful for us to know you and your company better. You have 15 seconds to submit your opinion on this particular poll. Thank you very much. Moving on the second poll, which is again live on is under the section poll icon, which is live now. What are the top 3 area of investment of your company? Hiring the hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, upgrading infrastructure, operation, or marketing and sales. Your opinion are valuable to us. Request you all to please participate. Thank you very much. Going forward, we the other question, poll which is live on your screen now. Which are the following Tata Tele service offering are you aware of? Collaboration solution, IoT solution, connectivity solution, cloud and SaaS, or security solution. Thank you very much. Moving moving forward, today we have Mr. Rana Pratap Singh, who is who is product expert Tata Tele Business Service, who will take the session forward. Over to you, Mr. Rana.
Yeah, thank you for this for initiating this beautiful, the technology-based sessions, right? Just I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, please share your screen. Yeah.
Hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes. It's visible and you are audible.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So, good afternoon, everyone. This is Rana Pratap Singh. I'm a part of solution engineering team from West Region, right? So today we can discuss about the new evolutions in the terms of product technologies and solutions. So today we can discuss about what about the new project, new products we have launched in the market, and we can do that, we can do, and just we can implement new technologies to the solution to the customers. We can provide the various technologies apart from the solutions and apart from the technology and apart from the connectivity end. So just moving forward. So if you see here, the important proverb is said by the Charles Darwin, like in the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have prevailed. So this is well said by the Charles Darwin, and that this is same we can just see in the market conditions, right, during this pandemic, right. So what are the product? So product is live things you need to involve in the order to meet the rising needs of the market. Means we have to just you have to just alert what's the market requirement in terms of product, right? Because right now the market is just seeing the boost in the terms of data, voice, security, cloud, and SaaS, and all other products like IoTs and all that things, right? So today, as a Tata Tele Services, we are bound to just to provide the solutions to the customers according to the market needs, right? So, what is our today agenda? So, today agenda is like we can talk about that technology landscape. We can talk about the SME landscape. We can see the challenges faced by the small medium enterprise, and later on the followed out by the question and answer rounds there, right? So one more proverb which is well said by Mr. Ephesus in the in step 540 or like 480 BC. So the only thing that is constant is change and destructions. Well said, and it is just match with the current era, right? So what is happening in the SME sections? Because in the small medium enterprise, what is going on? What the challenges faced by the SME sections? Like if you talk about the ease of doing business, if you talk about the business continuity, if you talk about the branding and the marketing, if you talk about the adequate and timely access to finance, And if we talk about like the overall the technologies, right? So what will happen from last 2 years if we talk about what is going on this in in the SME sectors, like what is the new norm of working for everyone in this pandemic, and right now the pandemic is going on, right? So the first thing is comes in the mind like the the business app means ki, clockability of business app. Another is like the connectivities, because the people just in this time people are just think about the share and dedicated connectivity. Load balancing and performance optimization, that is the need of market right now. Remote access for the user, because the most of the users are working from the home. They just they need to be some of the product which is very helpful to work to every employee in the remote sessions. Enterprise grade voice connectivities, like we can talk about our cloud based solutions. So it is very helpful for the customers to do work from work to do work remotely. Seamless integration with existing hardware setup means ki everything is on cloud. So the peoples are just thinking about ki we can do the calling on the cloud. We can have to manage our data in the cloud. We can do the cloud hosting, right? Reduction in cost, security, hosted platforms. So these are the very important, the things which is comes during this pandemic time. Like we can do, like we can work in the new norms. So key technologies like BCP, business continuity plan, the cloud, and security. So there will be some business challenges which is faced by the industries in this in this era, right? Like employee tracking, like like collaborations, like accessibility to servers, like physical travel to office or e-mobile, or like accessibility to voice infrastructures. So in this pandemic, whatever the Gartner study is saying, Gartner is saying like 40% of new enterprise telephony purchases will be made based on cloud suite by 2023. But the numbers has the change due to current market pandemic. Whatever the pandemic happened in the market, about the 40% of new enterprises move on the cloud suite by 2023. Right now I'm seeing the market with the cloud telephone, it's almost captured like 50 to 60% of market in the cloud suite. 35 or more than 40% of call center in India plan to move their the infrastructure on the cloud platform. All right. No more than 75% of employees says their productivity increased during the work from the home. All right. So these are the the business challenges, and these are the good things are happening during this the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic. So it's like 43% of SMEs use various internet platforms. 75% of SMEs in India believe that the digital adaptation is the key of their success. And the 73% of India SMEs are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. So we are moving ahead, and you can see the our strength of Tata Tele Business Services. If you see on the the screen, it's like we have the connected buildings. It means it's like a G1 G2 buildings, more than 60,000 plus. Currently, we are offering the services is in more than 60 plus cities. We have a strong enterprise team of the more than 1500 plus. The beautiful things of this TTBS is having the own optical fiber. You can see on the screen it's like 1,25,000 kilometers spread, right? It's challenging the means it's challenging the overall like the previous players like BSNL, Railtel. So we are just the in the terms of optical fiber, we have spread this fiber from Nagaland to Kashmir, from Kashmir to Chennai, everywhere, every corner of India, right? We have a channel partners of more than 1,500 plus. We have current the customers, business customers is having numbers of more than 40,000 plus. So, we can discuss on our product. Like we have the different products in the data, voice, security, collaborations, cloud, IoT solutions. So in the data, currently we're dealing with ILL, MPLS VPN, L3 VPN, L2 VPN, multicast services, lease line, smart office, right? In the terms of voice, we can talk about voice. It's a PRI, SEP. It's more about like this. Our new product is Smart Flow, our cloud communication suite. Security solutions, we have different range of products like email security, web security, virtual firewall, endpoint security, multi-factor authentications. If you see here in the IoT solutions, we have asset management, fleet management, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, right? And the collaboration side, we have conferencing, webcasting services in the cloud and SaaS cloud, CRM, hosted IVR, and co-location services. So first of all, we can talk about our product like Smart VPN. It's like a Smart VPN. If we can say, basically it's like MPLS L3 VPN circuit, right? Because in the current world, the demand of MPLS circuit is increasing day by day. Because what will happen if you go through the solutions, it's the packets which are sending from one source to destinations. It will be like a multi protocol level attached in that packet, so the packet is very safe. And the mode of transport and the network traffic, and overall the backbone, the packet are just transferring on the all that three elements, right? So it is basically a method from the switching the packets by using the label, and instead of IP address, you can say, or because it works on the layer three. If you talk about key on which layer it's working, it's work on the layer three. So right now we have the MPLS solutions with the different flavors, like we are providing the hub and spoke technologies, we are providing the mesh technologies, we can call like any to any. And in the terms of feasibility, if we can discuss, we have given customer services on the own fiber, like a UBR, MPLS over LTE, or it's like a third party solutions. All right, moving forward. So this is a diagram where you can see like there will be two branches are there which are connected. Let me just pointer option. So if you see here, the two branches are connected there through the MPLS VPN technologies. Means there will be there will be requirement for the hub and spoke solutions, because one branch is just want to connect with their own hub, and hub is connected with the multiple branches. It's like an internet VPN, because if you don't have feasibilities anywhere, then we can provide the tunneling type of facilities to transport the packet from source to destinations, right? By using the internet of customers, we can make this tunnel, right? MPLS on LT, this is a very good those services, because if you see in the remote locations, there will be there will be a feasibility of fiber and UBR and third party fiber is very less. Yeah, if you think about the feasibilities. So in that case, we are providing the MPLS over LT services, means we can provide the same bonding type of services to the customers, where customers and choose the services on the or they can just transfer their packet from one location to another location on the best of the same services which is opted by the customer. We have the private connectivity of the cloud, like secure connect, where we can because customer is having requirement of like AWS platform, Azure platform, Google Cloud, IBM software. So we can provide the customer the different peerings, different CSP peerings, right? So we can provide the point-to-point link to the customer from customer to the CSP peering, where the customer can just getting the internet traffic, or like /24 routes from this the peerings. All right. So this is the basic diagram where you can see the head office connected with the branch offices, their critical routers there, their cloud is there. In the case of LTE services, all the routers are there. यहाँ पे all the customers are connected there, and here we can see third party GSM services will be there, right? By using the 3G 4G service. Internet VPN, if there is no feasibility, then we can use the customer internet as a ILL or broadband, and we can provide this the point-to-point tunnel between the customers and our hub locations, our cloud locations. So this is called IPsec Secure Connect, because we have the different ANI network interface with the different CSP peering. So we can provide the overall, the overall the prefixes or the traffic to the customers which is required from the AWS cloud, GCC, or like the software. So I am just sharing one case study for the, in the case of MPLS L3 VPN. Because if you see here, the bank name is Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited. We have this is our very, the old customers, and right now more than 50 or 60 locations are connected to the hub, and hub and spoke is working there. After using this customer, the customer, the network is prioritized. Customer right now using the QoS packet for, the particular services, and the traffic is just, transfer on the VPN based, and it's a good, like the customer is getting a good speed in terms of the VPN connectivities. There's availability of network will be there. The prioritization of their, right. So overall, the voice and data traffic is running fine for this customer, and right now we have a multiple cooperative banks are connected to the hub and spoke. Apart from the the hub and apart from the cooperative banks, we have industries like we have different industries like the productions industry, like schools, colleges, like agriculture sectors, like like the pharma sectors. So we are giving the services as in hub and spoke, or like any to the customers. Moving forward to our next technologies, so we can talk about the smart internet. So smart internet is basically an one island services, right? So what is the benefit of a smart internet? Because if you are already you are using the Tata island internet lease line, or if you are not using the Tata internet lease line, so if you are a prior customer of the Tata, so we'll provide you this services with our internet lease line. Means it is very cost effective. It's a totally scalable. It's a wide range of bandwidth. Feature this with zero capex. Right. So we are providing the rental basis to the customer for using these services as a smart internet, where we can deploy on UTM box, and from UTM we can just we can provide these solutions to like SSL type of services we can provide to the customers. So is scalable, means it is starting from the 15 users, it will go up to 5,000 users. It is a if you talk about the bandwidth, so there will be like 10 Mbps to 500 Mbps to bandwidth standard offering is supporting here. So no capex investment, and comes with the security of UTM. We are using the Fortinet for this, the SSL services. See here, all that points we have covered, right? So this is a case study. This is very big, the shipping corporation, Rian shipping management industry, where we have sold these solutions with UTM. So the company is just working for 24/7 into 365 days right now. So with our smart internet, the complete solution comprising of remote access, managed services, and security features backed by our UTM like Fortinet product. Another is toll-free number. In the terms of voice, if you're talking about, the next is like toll-free services. So basically, we have provided two number series for the customers. One is 1800, another is 1860. So customers have decide to take which number as starting from 1800, or it will be started from the 1860. So basically, if you go for these solutions, the toll-free solutions, you'll get this time-based routing. You'll get the conditions-based routing, the pin-based routing, geography-based routing. So we have the pan India coverage in this toll-free services, and we provide you to 24/7 supports, right? So moving ahead. Next is hosted IVR. This is beautiful services. In hosted IVR, so there will be multiple features for the for the hosted IVR, like numbers of channels, like welcome messages, like IVR level ones and IVR level two, transfer to group, call history reports, voice recording, option to upload your audio prompts out of office. Kabhi, use these services, professional recorded audio prompts. So these are the very good features for the the inbound services by using this hosted IVR. So if it is like once the calls is just come on that the numbers which are provided by us, so then the IVR tree will be played and all that calls are all the code all the calls are going pass via the departments levels, means IVR tree is created and all the calls get routed through the IVR tree. Another is key, you can do the call recordings at that time. During this time, welcome message will be played for the customers, right? So and the beautiful features like the 15 days call recording you can get. For the advanced level you can get the 30 days call report. So there will be two level of IVR, and there will be some static message you can play if you can use like during the office of hours. So this will be, if you see on my screen, it's like the okay, once the call is just coming on this on the hosted IVR. So it will be just a move on that IVR tree, like press one for sales, press two for support, press three for billing. All right. So these are the the I'm just talking about that one of the case study. We have just implemented this solution, the big bulk the channels. So about this the engineering services, where we can sold this the maximum challenge to this company, because the company is working for the all that shift for 24/7, means morning, evening, and of course the night. So we have deployed the solutions as according to customer need, like within the given deadlines, right? Next is hosted OVD. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So next is hosted IVR. If you see the advantage, because all the advantages are mentioned on the right hand side of the my screen. So HOBD is used for the the broadcasting types of things for the outbound services. If you talk about the key why it's required, so we are just offering ready to use hosted infrastructure for the deployment. Our solutions is requires very low investment to set up and maintain these solutions, right? Career grade services, we give you the easy integrations and existing customers process. So these are the good things we are providing to customers. Apart from that, there will be options like DND, DMF, online call flow, campaign services available as a host base, because for HOBD we can use for right now the campaigning is going on because elections are happening in the various state. So for this purpose, HOBD service is very good, because you want to just convey the the broadcast the message to the many of the peoples. So once you send that TTS message to the various if you want to send the TTS message to the various person, so you can use this HOBT platform. So this is a good example, because I'm saying the case study for my one of the client like Asus. So you know about Asus. Asus is a very big market players in the terms of laptops and electronics equipments. So we have given their TFN lines. We are providing the audio conferencing, the high-speed internet services, and companies just they have taken the solutions from our day. Their the call hand process of this company is more than 3,000, 4,000 per call days. Next is security solutions. If you talk about security solutions, we have a wide range of product with us. Email, webmail security, multi-factor authentications, right? Endpoint security. So we have different range of product to just protect your infra network from the the malicious traffic or from the anomaly traffic. So during this, the COVID-19, we have just received this, if you see on my screen, BSC wants in the market about the cyber attacks and the coronavirus lockdown, because many people are working from home, and there will be, the more chances to be the system get hacked, the system getting the spam messages, the system will getting the anomalous type of traffic, because the public is working in the home, and there is less security, less security for their the own devices, like laptop or like PCs, right? So this is one by the BSCs and Gartners, and the checkpoint also said that hackers are pushing the some unwanted messages to the users or the users IDs. So products are data security endpoint, data security, identify, access management. Right. So first of all, we can talk about our endpoint security, because currently we are working with the WatchGuard. It is very good product for the North America, and in the 2019, WatchGuard just take over on the Panda. Panda is a very big player in the EPDR and EPP sections. So right now we have in the if you talk about endpoint security, we have very good market player WatchGuard, right? And WatchGuard is having the beautiful features because it works on all the platforms like the Windows, like Mac OS, like Unix platform, Linux, Red Hat, Apple iOS, Mac OS. It's work on all that things. And if you see the features here, the antivirus, like device control, like firewall, like predictive machine language, full encryption base, and two more things, so that it comes to the idea of the three services and zero trust application service. These are the best service we can provide for the endpoint security as an APDR service. See, the I have just made one comparison between the few market players, like McAfee, like Symantec, like Quick Health, Sophos, and of course the Tata, which is giving the service by using the WatchGuard product. If you see the difference between the all that, the market, the big market players in the endpoint security, the features are different. The features are different, and after the WatchGuard has totally acquired that Panda, so you'll get that maximum features in the endpoint security within the reasonable the license rate. So I'm saying the case study for the security solutions for one of the sector for the BPO, like zero trust approach, endpoint security to ensure we are just providing the endpoint security license to this company. Next is smart flow. This is this is really a good product right now. We are pitching in this market during the pandemic, because most of the persons are likely to be worked from home, and the person is not sitting at the same places. So it's very difficult for any organization to do call to initiate a call, to do the inbound or outbound call, to by they want to do the dialer functions, they want to some create that campaign, they want to do some lead list generations. Okay, so smart flow. So we have a product like smart flow, and this is totally cloud telephony this system. We have two data center, one is in Aurangabad, one is sorry, Ahmedabad, and another is in Bangalore. So we'll provide you the number starting from the 080 and 079, and you'll get the maximum features, because if you use this product, you can do the outbound calling, inbound calling, do the dialer calling. You can track the performance of each and every employee because the reports are generating frequently there. There will be the call details records. We'll get the actuals, the things your employees, what he's doing right now in the the working hours. So inbound solutions, click to call solutions, missed call solutions, OBD, that is broadcast solutions. So for the inbound solution, what will happen there? There will be TFM multiple level, the calls landing on the virtual number, and the IVR will be started there, right? And the calls are distributed among the all that departments. Click to call solutions very easy. It's an API from where you can do initiate the call to the customers, right? by just putting the customer number on that, the API box. Missed call solutions, if the all agents are busy, and if the customer is calling from long time, then you get the missed call alert. OBD solutions is nothing but like it's a broadcast solution, from you can broadcast the message to the maximum people, right? So I'm saying the case study. It's like a mid-sized BPU, but the number, right now it's not a 500 agent. We can sell more bandwidth to this customer. Right now it's 2,000 agent right now. So this BPU section, the customers, we have sold more than 1,500 channels according to customer requirement. They want to just integrate the CRM. They want to do the calling through the dialer. So we all have the features in the same, the dashboard. The only one dashboard that is smart flow. All right. Moving apart, this is our new product like SD-WAN. We have just collaboration with the Fortinet for this SD-WAN solutions. IFlex, we have come across with the different features like on the basic features, standard features, Pro, Ultra, Ultra Plus. We have different flavors of the devices in the SD-WAN solutions, right? So why we're using this, the SD-WAN solutions? Because see, what about if you talk about the traditional routing switching part, if you talk about the traditional router, if you talk about the layer 3, layer 4, 7, because customer is just wanting to, some of the box is having the intelligence of all that things like they work on the layer 3, it works on the L4, layer 4, it works on the layer 7. It can be useful for the web application firewall. It can do the DOS type of features. It is having the facility of WAN optimization. It is having the facility of load balancing. So in this product, the intelligence is built in this product, because if you talk about the QoS, it is in built feature of QoS, quality of service. Through the WAN failover, we can define the QoS for the best route selections, and it comes on the like OpEx based pricing, and from the zero trust provisioning, the cloud application optimization. Optimize your networks, invite multiple location branches, scalable as per your needs, critical application traffic is application traffic prioritization means your organization is going to use the particular, the services from Microsoft, and if you want to you just cap your bandwidth for the Microsoft from 10 Mbps to 5 Mbps, you can cap it for the 5 Mbps. The rest of the 5 Mbps is just send out to all the employees, they can use that. So this is the overall diagram. You can see our link is there. Multiple branches where the SD-WAN is connected. One is in data center, one is in branch, one is in different locations. So all that things are happening there. You see the there is the ILL, broadband, LTE, everything is supported. MPL is supported by this box. So these are some basic features for this, for the SD-WAN solutions. So this is all from my side. So if you want to reach to our team, so if you want to do big, you can contact us on this toll-free number 1-800-266-1800. You can email us on dubik@tatatel.co.in, or you can use our WhatsApp number 809-000-1515. And you can subscribe to the various internet platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, Twitter. So thanks a lot. This is all from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me.
Thank you, Rana sir. It was very informative and very well inside covered all the products of us. Right now, we don't have any questions, so we will leave the platform for 30 seconds. If participant, if you have any question at any point of time, you just put it in the chat box or a QA session, QA column. Meanwhile, we have couple of poll regarding the presentation and the feedback of yours, so that in future we should be improving ourselves. Request you all to please participate in that. the feedback and the poll, the next poll question for this session is live on your screen now. Which of the our product and solution are you interested? Which has been all the products mostly has been covered by Rana sir. So the products that like cybersecurity solution, IoT solution, voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, or Zoom. So you can just let us know like which all are you interested in. You have 10 seconds to please submit your opinion. And the last one is live on your screen is so would you be interested in smart flow live demo for your organization? You can just let us know yes or no. Submit your if you want, our sales team will be get in touch with you for the live demo. Thank you very much. Right now we don't have any question. The feedbacks are your screen again. You can rate us like our first feedback is what can you just rate us in overall experience for this webinar in excellent, good, average, poor. Request you all to please participate. It will help us to improve further. The next feedback is about the speaker inside. Can you just rate us about the speaker inside? And the last, the platform, how we will going to rate us on the platform experience. Thank you very much. We don't have any question as of now. So we thanks everyone for participating, taking out your valuable time. Request you all to please follow the COVID protocol. Be safe and be healthy. Take care of your family. Thank you once again, Rana sir, for the lovely and very informative presentation on all the products. Thank you all the participants once again.
Thank you all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We are ending the webinar here. Yeah.